Looking to save money while shopping on Alibaba? Here's how to find and activate coupons right inside the app. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. From the home page, tap on My Alibaba in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, scroll through the menu and tap on My Coupons. This will bring you to a new page with 3 tabs. Active, for coupons that are ready to use. Used, to view previously redeemed coupons. Expired, to see offers that have run out. If you don't see any active coupons yet, don't worry. Alibaba regularly pushes new offers, and when they appear, they'll show up here. Just tap to activate them and they'll move into your active section. Some coupons are also offered directly on product pages or during sales events, so keep an eye out while browsing. With these simple steps, you'll always know where to find coupons and how to use them to save on your next order. If this guide helped, give it a like, subscribe for more smart shopping tips.